Okay, this is the best of the yellow porcelain Zenos. This is all original. Nothing on it is reproduction. The only thing that we think may be reproduction is the key. Key operates the lock perfectly. There's no touch-up on this machine whatsoever. This is all the original porcelain. You can see the lettering shine in the light right there. This machine works. The mechanism works. I'll operate it in a few minutes. I just want to show you the sides and show you how good of condition this machine is in. This machine dates around 1900 to 1908. There were two versions of the yellow porcelain Zeno. This is what we refer to as the from dealers cabinet. It's whichever words are divided by the glass. So this one has from and then dealers divided by the glass. The other version is the package gum one, when it's divided by the glass. Don't know why they did it, but they made two different ones. Now I'll operate the machine. Now it doesn't always work on the front. Sometimes the penny goes through the coin return, the slug rejector, and comes out the bottom here. So that may happen. If that happens, I'll just open up the machine and operate it manually. So we'll take a penny, put it in the slot, and it came out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the machine off the wall and operate it manually, and you'll see what great condition it is in. So put the camera down and try and tilt it up a little bit so you can see me unlocking it. Take the key, do a 180 turn on it towards yourself, pull the little tab out, and twist off to the right. That's how the machine comes off the wall. This is an original back door for the machine. It is original. It does have some surface rust to it, but no real rust damage or rust through. And this is the inside of the machine. All original, complete and intact. Comes with a wind key right there. Now what happens is normally you stick the penny in the slot, it comes down through here, rolls down, travels down here, and what's supposed to happen is this little swinging weight here will go up like that, and it'll drop the penny into the normal slot, which then comes down, falls into that little carrier. This weight goes up, and it knocks the penny off into the bottom. But what sometimes happens is the penny goes so fast that this little arm doesn't have enough time to swing down, and the penny gets launched into the slug rejector on the side, the coin return. Now this is an original tower. That's where you put the gum, right in there. To wind the machine, you just turn the wind key to the right clockwise a little bit. It doesn't need to be wound anymore, it's already been wound up. This is an original locking bracket, original lock, original hardware. This is all original on this machine. Very hard to find these machines with this piece intact. This is where they break. This is made out of pot metal here. So it usually breaks right around here, and this piece will be gone, so sometimes you have to fashion your own coin chute. But everything on this machine is here and is original, except for the key, which we're not sure about. So if you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us, and please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items. And I'll operate it again. So you just lift that up, it would drop the penny in, and then it would stop the mechanism. And you can see this part right here operates the gum push right there. Goes out, pushes the piece of gum down. You can hold this up and it'll keep running consecutively until I remove my finger, and then when it travels back, it stops right there. Now I'll put the machine back on the cabinet and I'll show you where any little tiny chips may be, but this machine is pretty much all original and intact. I mean, it is all original and intact. It does just have a couple of chips, but no touch-up whatsoever. It's got a lot of nice gloss to it. No touch-up on this machine, not even the black. There's a little chip there. Oh, that's not even chip, that's a grunge I can scratch off with my fingernail. So no chip. tiny little bit of scratching on the bottom. There's a little chip right there. Little chip right there. You can see by the size of my fingernail where they are and how large they are. Little chip around the edges, which is normal from being removed and set on the countertop. And that's where you get this scratching from, down here. This sort of brown. That's from the machine being slid on the counter or on the ground when they were loading the machine. So like I said before, if you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us, and please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items. This is the last of our yellow Zenos. Thank you very much.